Oftentimes, we read two stories, and when we read a story, it might remind us about another story. Today, you have listened to the story Soccer Star. Last Friday, we read Goal, the book Goal, and it was about soccer as well. So when I think about Soccer Star, it reminds me of that other book, Goal. And there are some things that are the same about those two books, and there are some things that are different. One thing for sure is they have soccer in both of the books. That's one thing that is the same. There are other things that are the same, and there are many things that are different. So today you're going to learn that sometimes when you read a story, you can find similarities and differences, and we call that compare and contrast. Compare is finding similar things, contrast is finding different things. If you look at the poster in the middle, there are two books that are being compared: The Legend of the Lady Slipper and The Dragonfly Tale. Those are two books, and if you look at the diagram underneath them, that is called a Venn diagram. A Venn diagram is often used to compare and contrast things. So as you look at that, you can see that the Legend of the Lady Slipper explains a flower. The Dragonfly Tale explains a dragonfly. That's how they're different. The Legend of the Lady Slipper is about the Ojibwa tribe of the Midwest, and the Dragonfly Tale is about the Ashwi tribe of the Southwest. The Legend of the Lady Slipper is about people that were sick, and the other one, Dragonfly Tale, is about people who were hungry. So those are the differences between the two books. Now, in the middle, you will find the things that are the same about those books. They both explain why. They both are Native American legends. They both have characters that are people. They both have children that are problem solvers. So today, what I would like you to do is in your reader's notebook, in the section where it says writing about reading, this is a great place to compare and contrast stories. I would like you to compare and contrast two books. You can pick some of the books that you have listened to in our read alouds, or you can pick two other books that you have read on your own. It doesn't matter. I just want you to compare two books, and you can either do two things. You can draw a Venn diagram in your reader's notebook and then compare and contrast them. Take a picture of it and send it to your teacher. Or you can click on the link below on the practice area. It says Venn diagram, and if you click on that link, a Venn diagram will appear, and you can print that off and use that as well to compare and contrast your books. So that is what I would like you to practice today, comparing and contrasting two stories.